In this video, I'm going to show you how to work with multiple worksheets at one time. There's several things you can do to help your workflow be faster. So if you have your worksheet or your workbook up called 08 Spa Services or anything you have, you need something with multiple worksheets that are formatted and laid out very similar. So what I want you to do, I want you to click on one of these tabs, select all sheets. And I want you to select cell I8 through M33. And you can tell up here it says group, and that means that you've selected more than one worksheet at a time. So if we go up here and we click a different formatting, so I'm going to click accounting. Yours may be on accounting, I'm not sure. But you can tell, we'll click off of here. If you go to Tuesday and Wednesday, it's the same thing. Now I'm going to do that again. So I'm going to click on one of my tabs, click select all cells or all sheets. I'm going to have that range of cells selected. I'm going to click on currency, and it shifts my dollar signs. It shifts my numbers just a little bit. The other thing I'm going to do is I'm going to select the column M. And I'm going to click, and I'm going to make a boldface. So just click on the B, make it bold. That way we have easy reference to our total. Our eyes automatically track to the totals column. If we click on to Tuesday, that is also turned bold. The next thing I'm going to do, so that's the way you can do things to multiple worksheets at one time. The other thing I'm going to do, I'm going to show you how to display your worksheet or your workbook in multiple windows. So we're going to go to the View tab. We're going to click New Window. And I'm going to click and go to View. Well, I have let's see how many X cells I have open. I just have 2. So I can simply go to View and click Arrange All. I want to arrange them. You can arrange them vertically or horizontally if you want to. So now I have the same thing open, and now it says 08 Spa Services 2 at the top and Spa Services 1. It's the same document. If you make a change in one of these, it changes in the other one. All it allows you to do, so that if I want to click on Tuesday down here, I can look at this data and compare it to my Monday up here. That way I can view things at the same time, multiple sheets at a time. I'm going to click New Window again, and I'm going to click Arrange All, and I'm going to click Vertical. And click OK. Now I have 3 copies, but they're vertically aligned. That way I can be on Monday here. On here I can be on Tuesday. And here I can be on Wednesday. And I can look at the numbers. The bigger the screen you have, the better it works. On a small little 12 or 13 inch laptop, it may not work that great. But you know, on a bigger monitor, it's something to consider when you know, needing to compare more than one sheet at a time. So those are a couple of helpful tips on how to manipulate multiple things at a time.